I'm going to use the Smap analysis module to do some time series analysis on a survey. Now this survey actually collected areas. So what I might do is, before we start looking at the data, I'm going to add a server-side calculation function to compute the area, surface area of each of these polygons that we collected. So I'm going to the administration screen into template management. And this is the survey here, plots. So if I click on view edit, I can edit this survey and I can add a server-side calculation. So there's none there at the moment. I click on add calculated value and select the function area and save. You just take the default name for the function, which is the same as the function itself, area. Okay, now let's go to analysis, and I'm going to create a panel of type graph, select my survey plots, select the date question that we want to do our analysis on, observation date, and I'm going to select the area question, server-side calculate question down here. You can see it's got SSC : at the front to indicate that it's a server-side calculation. And it defaults the aggregation to average. And now the time series we're going to use, let's do it by day. And now hit save. So here we can see our area changing over the days. It starts down here. I think this is about 1 million, so that would be 1 square kilometre, and it goes up as high as just above 8 square kilometres on the 3rd of January 2014, before settling back down again. So that's fine. We can also look at this data using a map. So I'll click Add Panel again. This time I'll select a panel type of map and select the same survey plots. We'll select the same date question to use for our analysis, and the actual question we're looking at is area again, and the time series day. So specify save, and what this is showing is an area polygon. Actually, let's keep it large, and there's a default interval of 1 day, the period we selected, and it's showing the data from the 1st of January to the 2nd of January. And you can see down here in the timeline that shows this is roughly about 1/5 of the total data set. So we can drag this timeline and increase the amount of data shown at once. So you can see now we've got multiple polygons all shown layered on top of each other. But if I revert back to 1 day as the interval and then press start, it will play that sequence of polygons. That was quite quick, so let's do it again. So you can see, you can look at the way the data is changing over time. Now we can export this to a report. If I click on the export to report, let's give it a name. So area over time, comment. This data is from early January, and now just hit save. So the report saved, and if I go into reports, I can email this report, send it to Facebook, or send it via Twitter, and if I sent it to somebody, this is what it would look like. So again, you've got the same functionality, the ability to play the data, the ability to drag the timeline to change which range of time you can look at in the one map. And of course, we can do the same for the graph as well.